Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. Today's news headlines for school morning assembly. 1,314 Indians returned from Ukraine yesterday, over 17,400 evacuated. Center. Mumbai women corps get Women's Day gift 8-hour shift from Tuesday. For injured Indian students 700-kilometer journey, embassy hails Ukraine driver. Indians stock up cooking oil, fuel, fear shortages amid Ukraine war. Days after air turbulence, Mamata Banerjee claims pilot averted collision. 4,362 new COVID cases in India, 20% lower than yesterday. And now some international news. Russia recruiting Syrians to fight in Ukraine, Pentagon. UN calls for safe passage in Ukraine to send humanitarian aid. White House says no decision yet from Biden on ban of Russian oil imports. 1 dead, 2 injured in shooting outside US high school. Russian troops stopping civilian evacuation from war zones, Ukraine's president. And now some sports news. Former Manchester United manager Frank O'Farrell dies, aged 94. Women's World Cup. Sneh Rana wants to contribute to India's success in every possible way. Jamshedpur Football Club left Maiden Indian Super League Shield with win over ATK Mohan Bagan. And these were today's news headlines. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.